Record. So, good morning once again. In the last class, we have discussed the introduction of percentage. Let us discuss it further. So, we have seen what is percentage. It is actually two terms, per plus cent. So, what we do is to compare two things properly. So, something is echoing too much. Okay, one second. So we will try to find everything out of 100. Suppose you have, suppose two students are there and you ask them how many pages they have learned. Okay, suppose there are two students and you are asking how many pages they have learned. So if they are giving you the numbers 2 page, 3 page, or they are giving you the percentage, it will be easy for you to understand when they are giving you the percentage, because percentage is having fixed total thing. Noise is coming from back. Okay, let's see. So suppose you have got your marks out of 25 as 19, and you have got your marks as, suppose, out of 200 you have got 150. Now to compare these two marks, which one is better, which one is not, you will have to, yes, you can rejoin if you want. So class, to compare these two marks, we have to take the concept of percentage. And how to find that? We all know, to find percentage we multiply the fraction with 100. So let's see, 19 by 25 into 100 and 150 upon 200 into 100. By this, what we are doing? We are making them both out of 100. So let's find and tell me the answer, class. What is the percentage in first case and second case? Tell me what is the percentage. In the first case, it is 25 fours are and 4 19s are how much? 36, 4 ones are 4 plus 3, 76%. Continuously you people are coming in the meeting. Devanshi, Shaji ma'am, Mokshita. So in the first case 76%. In the second case it is how much? Please tell. In the second case it is 0 0 cancel. 275 is 150, 75%. So now you can see here the picture was not clear. Sir, why did you multiply by 4? In which case, beta? Beta, because I have divided, na? Ryan, we had 19 upon 25 to convert into percentage. To convert into percentage any fraction, we multiply with 100. What I did is, I saw 25 and 100 are divisible as this. 25 ones are, 25 fours are. After that, I have multiplied 4 and 19 to get the answer as 76%. Yes, so the student has done better in the first term, 76%, and in the second term, he has got 1% less, that is 75. Now let us see directly the questions, or we can take some example also. Suppose, no, let's take some questions first. That will make you understand better. Let's take 8.2 exercise. Exercise 8.2, question number 1. Convert the following fractional numbers to percent. This is very easy. Suppose we take one number as 3 by 40, C part. Class, please tell me, how will you convert this fraction into percentage? just multiply by 100. So we will try to find this out of 100. That is, it will be 3 by 40 into 100, and when you solve this, 0 0 will cancel, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. Now it cannot be solved further, so we will find 3 5s are 15 upon 2% or 7.5%. First find average and then multiply answer by 100. Why to find average beta in percentage? I'm not getting. You can share the solution with me. What do you say? Bhavya, I think. Lavya. Lavya, you can share the solution with me and then I will help you with that. Okay. Sir, how 7 came? Where? 7.5 because I solved it. Now, 2 and 15. If you solve this, you will get 2 sevens are 14. 1 is remainder. Put a decimal over here. It becomes 10. 2 fives are 10. That's it. From here, we got 7.5. Okay. So because we converted, yes, beta, we have converted in decimals. Now, let us take the next case where we convert decimals into percents. Similar case, now we will be converting decimal into percentage. Let's see question number 2. You can try the remaining parts on your own. They all are easy. Suppose you have 0.02 and you want to convert it into percentage. Again, you have to multiply with 100 only. Or if you want, you can first convert this into, yes class, we can convert the percentage, decimal into fractions, and then we can convert into percentage. That is also correct. Continuously you people are being adding in the waiting room. How will I teach in this way? So if I remove the decimal, what will come in denominator? Please tell class. If I remove the decimal, what will come in the denominator? 100 will come because for decimal 1 will come. After that we have two places, so two zeros will come. Into 100 will become percentage. So you can see they both are cancelling each other. So the answer is 2%. So this way we can convert decimals into percentage. Now let us take the D part, 12.35. Let's take the D part, 12.35. We want to convert this decimal into percentage. Again the same thing, we can write this as 1235 upon 100 multiplied, this is the fraction form, into 100. If you do, you will get the percentage form. 0 0 cancel, answer is 1235%. So this is the way. Now let us take the question number 3, again a easy one. Devanshi Bharadwaj. In question number 3, they have given you a pie chart in which you have to tell the percentage. Suppose we take the third part, you have a circle like this. You have how many portions? 4 portions. So like this, the 4 lines are cutting it like this. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sir, how the percentage is so big? Don't worry for that, beta. It is actually out of 1. Actually 1235, 12.35 is out of 1. That is why it is so large. See, normally what do we have is, we have larger denominator and lower numerator. Then the percentage is less than 100. If numerator is larger than denominator, obviously the percentage will be more than 100%. Okay. So please tell out of 100% we have to take, then how the answer came. Okay, same doubt from Bani also. So one more way to find. Okay. Let me take this one. Class, you are saying, sir, we have learned about 100% how we can have such a high percentage. That's it you want to ask, Bani? This only you want to ask, na? Why we got this much bigger percentage? It is very simple. If you have marks 10 out of 10, how much percentage you have got? Class, if you have marks 10 out of 10, you have got 100% marks. Okay, but in the case, suppose someone tells that you have to uh, suppose you have to pack, there are 1000 boxes in a factory, and it is told to you that you have to pack um, suppose 500, you have to pack 500 in a day. It is being given to you. What you did, subject A, the person A packed out of 500 250. He was little lazy. Person B packed 500 out of 500. He was very much efficient and obedient. So he packed complete. Person 3, he did extra. He packed 1000 complete boxes when it is given to him in a day. Now we have to understand, class, now we have to understand what is the percentage of work. If you see, this A person has done how much work? A has done how much work? If work assigned was 500 only, A has done 250 out of 500. So he has done half of the work, 50%. Person B has done 100% of work. But this person, he has done extra work, because you can see the numerator is larger than denominator, and if you multiply with 100, you will get 5 to the 10, and he has done 200% of work. He has done 200% of work. So in this case, percentage is possible more than 100. In your examination, it is not possible. Class, in your examination, it is not possible that you can get 200% marks, because out of 10, you can maximum get 10 only. But in this case, where you are working in a company and you have to pack something, you can have extra work like this. This way only. Suppose I give you homework. I give you homework. Complete exercise 8.2 5 questions. I gave you a homework to complete 5 questions of exercise 8.2. What student 1 did? Student A, he did only one question. The next day when I checked the copy, he did only one question. Student B did 4 questions out of 5. C did 5 out of 5. But one student which is very much, what you say, intelligent in mathematics, he has very much a high interest in mathematics. What he did, he completed the chapter or this exercise. He did 10 questions when 5 is given. He did 10 questions when 5 were given, or you can say he did 20 questions. Suppose he did 20 questions when 5 were given. It is possible. Okay, Himanshi is saying, sir, C1 is me. Very good. So we can find the percentage. Student A has done how much work? 1 by 5 into 100, that is 20% of work. Student B has done how much work? 4 by 5 into 100, that is 80% of work. Now I understood by Bani. Very good. Sir, D is me. Ha ha. Okay. 5 by 5 into 100, this is 100%, and this D is doing extra. Whatever the teacher is teaching, he is understanding extra, and he is solving extra questions in advance. In advance he has done the work, and you can see the denominator is less, numerator is high, so obviously the percentage will be more. So it is 520s are, so 2020s are 400%. This particular student D has done 400% of work. Sir, why you have drawn the circle? Beta, circle draw करने के पीछे there is no reason. It is only a way to teach. Okay. D is confusing time for next day. Okay, D is consuming time for next day. Yes, you can say the D, suppose D has to go in some function next day, so he won't be able to do the homework. Now not confused, Rishi Gupta. Very good, beta. So we need to understand, if numerator is larger, obviously percentage will be larger, because normally we have seen the cases of larger denominator. Now let us take the question that we were doing. Where is it? The question is lost in somewhere. Okay, so please repeat question number 1D part. Okay, beta, 1 second. Question 1D part is very easy. In this, we have a fraction 2 by 7. We just want to convert it into percentage. Same thing we will do. We'll multiply it with 100. When you multiply with 100 and you observe, you cannot solve it right now. Class, you can observe, you cannot solve it. So we will multiply the numerator. It becomes 200 upon 7%. This is the answer. If you want to find the answer in decimals, you can do that also. 7 2s are 14, 6 is remainder, 0 is here. So now we will have 7 8s are 56. Very good, Sarvagya. Now you are quite active in this chapter, I've seen. Sir, if we will get fraction, we will convert it into decimal from, or we leave it that only? Please tell. Actually, this is correct. This is not wrong. But sometimes we try to simplify. Sometimes we try to simplify. That's why we find in decimal. But no one can say that this is wrong. No one can say that. Okay. So 28 is there. Now 4 is there. We put decimal over here. It becomes 40. 7 5s are 35. It is okay to find till one decimal only. No need to go further. We can say it is equivalent to 28.5%. That's it. I think, Alan, now it is clear to you. Now let's take question number 4. Question number 3 is easy. In that, you just have to find the fraction and then you have to find the percentage. Sir, can we find percentage in mixed? You can find, no issue. You can do. Let's see. Question number 4. In question 4, they are saying find 15% of 250. Class, very easy. We all know what this of means. In BODMAS, we have learned what is this of. It is like multiplication only. Yes. So we have to find 15% into 250. Now tell me, class, if you have percentage with you, class, we have learned to find percentage, we multiply with 100. But what if percentage is given to you already? Then what will you do? Please tell me. If percentage is directly given to you in the question, you will divide by 100. Very good. So class, always remember this thing. When we find percentage, to find percentage, we multiply by 100, and to find value, we divide the percent by 100. That's it. Himanshi is saying, sir, please tell again. I was disconnected. This question. Don't worry, Himanshi. Nothing much is done. You can still watch on the channel. Don't worry for that. Now let's see this question. We have to find 15% of 250. So 15% means 15 upon plus 15% means 15 upon 100. So we are trying to find the value now. Percentage is given to us. We will find the value into 250. And when you solve this, what will you get? 0, 0 cancel. We can solve further, but I have told you, if 10 is there, 100 is there, 1000 is there in the denominator, don't cut them, leave them as it is. Multiply these two. Class, tell me, what is 15 and 25? It is 375 upon 10, and the answer is, Sarvagya, you're doing a mistake. Don't put percentage sign, it is a value. Percentage was given to you already in the question. You are finding a value. Okay, this is a value, that is why percentage sign will not come in this case. Okay, let us take one more example. Suppose I give you an example. Hina got 78% marks and total marks were, suppose, 200. Now tell me, how many marks Hina has got? If exam was of 200 and Hina got 78% marks, I want the value of marks. I don't want the percentage, it is given to me. Please tell, how many marks? Very good, Sarvagya. Very nice, impressive. Very good, Bani. Diti, nice. So we have to actually find 78% of 200. Very good. We have to find 78% of 200. No, Manit, one mistake is there. We have to find 78% of 200. This is the mark she has got. And this is very simple. 78% means percentage is given to you already. If percentage is given to you, you will divide by 100 to find the value into 200. 0, 0 cancel. And the answer is 2 8 is 16, 2 7 is 14, 15. Very much impressive. Okay, so this way we can find the marks obtained by Hina. This is a value. Okay, now let me give you one more example. Suppose you have, let me give you one more example. Suppose I give you, out of rupees 5,000, I have spent 70%. I have spent 70% out of 5,000. Tell me how much I have spent. So in the starting, I gave you a percentage and Sarvagya, very good. Today, Sarvagya is answering first, then Bani. Okay, Bani, good. Actually, Sarvagya is giving the answer, Bani. You also should try to give the answer. Very good. Ekta, I think some mistake is there. Ekta, some mistake is there. Please check. Ashima, good. Okay, Bani. So class, if you observe, yes, Lavya, good beta. So percentage is given to you. You are consuming 70% of the money. Now they are asking how much money you have actually used. Good, Ryan. So we have used, or you can say spent money is 70% of total money, that is 5,000. So 70 upon 100, of means multiply into 5,000, 0 0 cancelling, so we'll cut 7 5 is 35 and 2 zeros. So we will have 3,500 rupees we have spent. So please tell, am I correct? I think Devanshi, I have not seen your solution, beta. 350 you are saying. Devanshi, you must have multiplied not properly. You have not seen 1 0. That is why you got 350. It is 3,500 rupees that we have spent. Ekta, why you are saying 700%, beta? You don't have to convert in percentage. Percentage is given to you already. You have to convert into value. Okay. Yes, Arnav. Good, beta. Now let us take some more examples. I think now you people are ready for 5 questions. You already can solve question 5s till 1 to 5. You can easily solve. Suppose I give you one example from question number 5 also. Uh, it is very easy. Let us take 70% of it is, oh, it is different. It is different. It is different. 70% of it is 14 minutes. Class, this is different. This time, this 14 is not total thing. What do you say? This time, okay, Bani, very good. This time, some value is there. We don't know that. 17% of that value is 14. Class, try to understand. 17% of something is 40 minutes. So we will assume, let's assume it to be x. And now find 70% of x is 14 minutes. Class, we all know how to write the equation. Very easy. Very good, Lavya. Very good, Lavya. 70% of x is equal to 14 minutes. That's it. When you solve this equation, you will get the value of x. Sarvagya and others, please try. 70 upon 100 of x is equal to 14, and we all know how to find the value of x. From chapter number 4, we will just isolate it. If you see 0 0 cancel, we have 7 by 10. If I take 7 by 10 on that side, it will become 10 upon 7, because 10 is in division over here, it will come in multiplication. 7 is in multiplication, it will come in division. 7 2s are 14, and the answer is 20 minutes. So this way, this will be little bit different. Let us take one more example. Suppose I give you 8% of it is 40 liters. E part. 8% of something is 40 liters. Class, please answer me. How many total water is there? This question is different, beta. Yes. Suppose you have a container in which some water is there. They are saying 8% of it is equal to 40 liters. You have to tell what is the value of 100%. Very easy. Again, you will say, let it be x. So 8% of x should be equal to 40 liters. And when you solve it, 8 by 100 of x is equal to 40. I told you not to cut zeros if they're not written directly. X is equal to 40 into 100 upon 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 fives are 40, 500s are 500 liters. So this way we can solve such questions very easily. I hope all of you are able to understand the concept where total is given to you, where some portion is given to you, how to find the solution. You need to understand the language of question very easily, and then it will be easy for you. Okay, so try first 5 questions. If possible, you can go further. First try first 5 questions. If possible, go for further. Now let me stop the recording.